This is my bike check. Being embryo frame, 21-inch top tube. I don't know the back. Rocking Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks, left-hand drive. 28 Chase Hawk sprocket with shadow chain. Odyssey PC pedals. Fit seat post. Fiend seat. S&M Challenger stem. It's pretty heavy. Fiend bars. 8.25 rise. 28.7 width. Rocking Primo N4 prop hub laced with Primo rim. And a Primo remix hub laced with the Primo rim. And rocking all 4 Demolition Team pegs. Fiend grips. They're alright. Oh, they're good, I mean. And that's my bike check.